I've got 3 easy steps that you can play with any music, any musician, any person the first time. Do you struggle with finding the rhythm or joining a djembe group or playing along with a band or a musician? I'm going to show you how to play any song to any music or any rhythm the first time. Stay tuned and subscribe. Okay, these are the 3 steps so that you can play with anybody the first time that you hear the song, the musician, another djembe player. So the 3 steps are: 1, find the tempo, okay? So the tempo, and I usually do this on the outside of the drum, so play every beat of the song. Step 2, where's the bass? Find the bass. Okay, now right there, you are playing all of the notes. Step 3, now what you want to do is just play the sounds that you like and make the sounds that you don't like softer and the sounds that you do like stronger. So in step 3, you're playing more dynamics, you're listening more. So step 3 is where this will take some practice, but you emphasize the notes that you want, and you take away from the ones that you don't want. So that's where the any song really comes out. I'll show you. All right, I got some music playing on my looper. So first, let's find every beat. Okay, that's step 1. 2, where's the bass? Okay, step 3, I'm going to emphasize the notes that I want and take away the notes that I don't want. Try another song. Okay, now we got something softer. All right. 1, find the tempo. Okay, where's the bass? Step 2. Okay, now we hit the note stronger than we want. That's it. Let's try another song. Okay, now we got something funky. Step 1, where's the tempo? Step 2, find the bass. Now, the notes we want, we hit it stronger, and we hit softer on the notes we don't like.